Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to verify your account on X. So if you want to access restricted or age-sensitive content, just follow along step by step to get it done. Alright, let's dive in. First, open the X app on your phone. Now tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Scroll all the way down and tap on Settings and Support. Then tap on Settings and Privacy. From here, tap on Security and Account Access, then select Security. Now you'll see the option for ID verification, but before you can use this feature, you need to make sure you have Premium. So go back to the previous settings page, tap on Premium, and subscribe to a plan. And scroll down to Verification and Security, where you'll be able to upload your ID. Now head back to Security, tap on ID verification, and upload your documents to confirm your identity and age. After completing this, you should be able to view any restricted content on X without any issues. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.